Hi everyone, thank you for joining me for your Amazon Insider information. My name is Alexa Allers and I'm here today to give you some more tips on what you can do to add to your used sold as new appeals. Before we get into that though, we're just going to have a quick intermission with some awesome seller services.
Ashlyn Haddon is not just my friend and my broker, she is the #1 person to go to when it comes to getting insurance for your e-business. And just like we focus on Amazon, Ashlyn focuses on Amazon. Don't be shy, call her, get a quote. Insurance is really cheap when you're really new, and it's not very costly if you're experienced. You must have insurance. Call Ashlyn Haddon to get coverage if you are doing business on Amazon.
And welcome back. So now we're going to get on into what you can do to strengthen your used sold as new appeals. If you have an item that's been having issues being verified by Amazon, or your supplier that's having an issue being verified by Amazon, you want to make sure you are including as much detailed information as you can in your appeals, such as including the supplier's address, name of contact, if you have somebody that you contact at that factory. That's going to be important for Amazon to have and just to see, because they like to see that you're actually dealing with a person rather than just ordering off of online. That's a great way to help get your invoices verified. But if you have an item that's having an issue and your invoice has it as a very specific item number, you want to include a screenshot, if you can, of your inventory page that has the listing and specifically says the item number that could match your invoice on the listing, and take a screenshot of that, put it in your appeal, just so you can help Amazon line the pieces up, just in case there's a variation or some other issue that is causing Amazon to mistakenly think one product is another, what have you. We're all humans, mistakes happen, but if you want to help Amazon help you. And with that, thank you so much for joining me. This has been your Amazon Insider information. Please join us again soon, and if you like this video, consider leaving us a thumbs up, leaving us a comment, or just come back again. Thank you.